This is a Zevim video in which we present the safety challenge we set for ourselves. Because we value your safety and the safety of your employees, we decided to carry out a sled test on our newest vehicle racking systems at Millbrook. Millbrook is the leading provider of vehicle test and validation services. It is independent and impartial in everything it does. Instead of using a frame, a body shell is used in this sled test, which provides a more representative response to the sled impact pulse. The Zevim vehicle racking system, AS series and underfloor system is attached to the body shell according to Zevim's standard installation requirements. The body shell is then mounted to the Millbrook servo sled carriage with brackets custom made by Millbrook in preparation for the sled test. Cameras are installed in order to capture the dynamic response of the test piece during the impact. The racking system is then loaded to simulate how an end user may use the system. This contributes to accurate correlation between test and real-world outcomes. The challenge for us is to keep you safe, no matter how many tools or goods you carry in your van. This graphic shows in detail the distribution of the total weight added for this test compared to a normal vehicle. Due to our good relationships with existing customers, we know that every day the maximum vehicle loads and racking systems are challenged. Therefore, we at Zevim set ourselves the challenge of adding over 400 kilograms of additional load to the racking system, with which we approach 95% of the maximum acceptable vehicle load, or GVW. In order to analyse the impact of this crash test, detailed photographs of the body shell, the attachments and the racking systems are documented. To capture the movement of the vehicle racking system, high-speed cameras are also mounted onto a specially built frame. Again, we at Zevim value the safety of you and your employees, which is why we carried out this duty of care test, conducted to the requirements of ECE R17 using Millbrook's servo sled facility. This test procedure is designed to test devices intended to protect the driver and passenger in case of a 48 km per hour or 20 Gs severe frontal impact or crash. These before and after pictures show the impact of the 48 km per hour crash on the frame as attached by Millbrook and the impact on the Zevim vehicle racking system AS series and underfloor system. The conclusion from Millbrook's experts is clear. The body shell fitted with the Zevim van racking system demonstrated integrity, and this satisfied the principles of the test requirements of ECE Regulation 17.08. This means that no part of the racking system or its contents penetrated into the passenger compartment. So, by purchasing a Zevim vehicle racking system, you can be assured that we will do everything to keep you and your employees safe, and we will keep challenging ourselves to make your journey even safer. For more information about our products, please give us or one of our dealers a call. You will find their numbers on our website dealer page at www.zevim.eu.